Is your hosting or website looking a little bland? Instantly add eye-catching shapes and animations to transform your site, no coding required, and boost visual engagement today. It's easier than you think to make your pages pop. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk through the hosting or website builder, navigating to the Elements section, selecting shapes, and adding dynamic animations step by step. You'll see just how simple it is to bring your site to life. Alright, so the very first thing we need to do is get into the heart of your website. That's the hosting or website builder. This is where all the magic happens, and where we'll find all the tools to customize your site. If you're logged into Hostinger, you'll want to navigate to your websites list and then choose the Edit Website option for the site you want to work on. This will open up the Builder interface, giving you a live view of your pages. Having spent a lot of time helping people with this builder, I can tell you it's incredibly intuitive once you know where everything is. Take a moment to just get comfortable with your workspace if you're not already. Now that we're inside the builder, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a sidebar with various options. What we're looking for here is the Add Elements button. It's usually represented by a plus icon, or just the words Add Elements. This is your go-to spot for literally everything you want to put onto your page, from text and images to buttons and of course the shapes we're about to add. Go ahead and give that a click. Once you've clicked Add Elements, a new panel will pop open, showing you all sorts of categories. We're not looking for just any element though. To find our shapes, you need to scroll down a little bit in that panel until you see the category labeled Highlight. It might seem a little unconventional to find shapes here, but Hostinger groups them under Highlight because they're fantastic for drawing attention to specific sections or pieces of content on your site. So go ahead and click on Highlight to expand that section. Perfect! Now that the Highlight section is open, you should see a variety of options, and one of them will clearly be Shape. This is where the fun really begins. Clicking on Shape will present you with different geometric forms you can add to your page: circles, squares, lines, maybe even some more abstract designs depending on what Hostinger has available. Choose the one that best fits the look and feel you're going for. Once you select a shape, it'll appear right on your page. You can then click and drag it to reposition it, or use the corner handles to resize it. This is one of those powerful but often overlooked features in the Hostinger builder that I always recommend for adding visual flair without any headaches. Okay, so you've got your shape on the page. It looks good, right? But what if we want to make it really stand out? This is where animation comes in. With your new shape still selected on your page, you'll notice a small toolbar or property panel appear, usually floating right next to the shape or on the right side of your screen. Look for an option that says Animation or has a little animation icon, like a play symbol. Give that a click. You'll then be able to choose from different animation styles. Maybe it fades in, slides in, or bounces. Pick one that feels right for your design, and you can often adjust its speed or delay. Just be careful not to overdo it. A little animation goes a long way in grabbing attention without distracting your visitors. And there you have it. You've gone from a static design to a dynamic, eye-catching page using custom shapes and animations. Play around with different shapes and animations on your own site. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech tips, and let me know in the comments what else you'd like to learn.